EdTubi. I am Faith Menosa and today we will be discussing the changes that materials undergo, useful and harmful. But first, let us read the learning outcomes. First, describe changes in solid materials when bent, pressed, hammered, or cut. Second, describe changes in properties of materials when exposed to certain conditions, such as temperature or when mixed with other materials. 3. Identify changes in materials, whether useful or harmful to one's environment. I'll ask you first to identify each photo. If it's useful, very good. It is a useful changes. Next one. Okay, very good. It is a chemical changes. One. It is a chemical changes. Next one. It is a useful changes. Useful changes. Changes that make a material better or more helpful for a specific purpose. Example. Melting chocolate allows you to mold it into different shapes. Cooking raw eggs becomes soft and tasty when cooked. Freezing water turns it into ice which can keep drinks cold. Harmful changes. Changes that make a material worse or less useful. Example, rusting metal. Iron getting rusty and weak. Rotting fruit. Fruit spoiling and becoming inedible. Burning paper. Paper turning to ash and smoke when burned.
Good day, class. I am Teacher John, and we will continue this discussion. But let's have first the review. So, what is useful materials? Anyone? Okay, so the capabilities of being produced. The second is what are the changes in materials that are useful to our environment? Anyone? Okay, that's right. The changes that are useful to our environment includes planting vegetable and bearing fruits. The third one is what made them useful to our environment. Anyone? Okay, thank you. These changes are useful because it keeps the environment beautiful and provides fruit to living things. What is harmful materials? Anyone? Okay, so it is a kind that likely to be damaging. So next is what are the changes that are harmful to our environment and what made them harmful to our environment. So we will know this as we go deeper to our discussion. Let's find out. The changes that are harmful to our environment includes burning of plastic materials, dumping garbage on land, cutting down trees, and throwing dead animals in the river. When the materials is in the land or in the soil is dumped with garbage of any kind such as empty bottle, plastic, toxic waste, chemical from factories and other establishments, that land become polluted. So polluted land serve as breeding place from flies, cockroach, and rats. This space carry germs and causes diseases. These are hazardous to our one's health. When the materials is in the river, is dumped with garbage of any kinds of such as empty bottles, plastic, waste, or even dead animals from houses and industrial and chemical waste, the river becomes polluted. If we drink water contaminated with germs, we are likely get sick. So polluted water also kills living organisms such as fish and water plants. Are you also practicing burning garbage such as materials at homes? Many items in household garbage when burns release dangerous toxic chemical in dispose and health risks especially for people particularly with those asthma and other heart and lung illness. Because of the smoke, it can cause to the ground and it can also settle on fruit, vegetable, and other vegetation that becomes dangerous to eat for humans and wild animals. The smoke, the top seed that entered in the air also contribute to the greenhouse effect and global warming. And to prevent, minimize the effect of burning of garbage, waste, and waste segregation must be observed. And also, the 5 R's should be practiced. Okay, so these are the 5 R's. It includes here the refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rats. Okay, so we are now done with our discussion, and now we are going back to the 2 questions that I introduced earlier. So the first one is, what are the changes that are harmful to our environment? So anyone? Okay, so the changes that are harmful to our environment includes burning of waste and cutting down trees. The second one is, what made them harmful to our environment? Anyone? Okay, thank you. These changes are harmful because it damages the environment and destroy our natural resources. For our essay, 5 points each, and I'll give you 10 minutes to answer. Okay, so time is up. Pass your paper in front, and thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from me, and see you in class. Bye-bye.